got this cinnamon roll. Just to put it in scale. This is the size of my hand. This is how big this thing is. It's freaking ginormous. With extra frosting. Make sure you get that. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay.
We're headed to do 7 Dwarfs Mine Train for our first fast pass.
Awesome so far. Just had a sweet honey bun. A honey bun, honey bun. Not to get confused for this honey bun.
We ate in Gaston's Tavern. We used his antlers and all of his decorating. We get to be in the first cart. John said he's never been in the front for any roller coaster ever. I feel like that's not true. Here we go, we're up front! John's gonna try and scare me behind this rock. Yeah. I knew it!
You want thingamabobs? I got 20. Who cares? No big deal.
Off to do our next fast pass. Take me back to the day memories fell up.
Looks like we made it. I knew we would.
And to help move things along, you're all going to surprise Belle and act out the story of how they met. Oh, I can hardly wait.
Do we want a surprise, Belle? Yeah!
And we have enough parts for everyone. First, we need 2 big, strong suits of armor to march around and protect the castle.
Okay, well, I got it. Okay, sir, over here.
Someone to play the master, the beast. He has a mighty roar.
Suits of armor, are you ready?
Oui.
Super.
John, you got to be a suit of armor.
Yes, it's almost like I didn't do anything.
Now we're gonna go eat in the castle. Let's try to sit close to the snow. It's here. John got a French dip. I got French onion soup. And basically a fancy ham and cheese. I'm like Michael Jackson walking around with my umbrella. We just finished eating at Be Our Guest. Going to ride Space Mountain. And we're gonna go back to our resort and take a little nappy poo because I'm freaking exhausted.
Just got back to the park. Allison took a nap.
Got my Starbucks caramel frappuccino.
I didn't take a nap. Watched The Office.
He got the hiccup so intensely. He was shaking the bed. It woke me up.
We're in Tomorrowland, going to do everything we can do over on this side. Then who knows what the night might bring.
We've got extra magic hours till midnight tonight.
Yay!
We can travel from New York to Los Angeles by train in only 3 days. And we've got a house full of new electrical servants. Mr. Edison sure added life to our home.
She looks like the sister from Home Alone.
Now all our...
Another fast pass. Got a reckless driver.
I don't have control of it.
That's the point. John's just a bad driver and he doesn't want to admit it.
I'm not.
Sean, it's on a track.
Okay, I'm
How
not.
bad of a driver do you have to be to not go straight?
I'm not doing this.
Full speed ahead! Woo! Ooh.
Hey!
Hey!
Oh! Word. When the natives are dancing in a circle like that, it either means they lost the key to the men's room or they don't know how to square dance, both of which are equally tragic. Quick question. Who here believes that the captain should go down with the ship should anything happen? Anybody believe that? What is your name, sir? Mark. Mark? All right. If anything goes down the temple, Mark is our captain. I, of course, am the skipper because I skip out at the first sign of danger. Thank you, Mark.
Mine for Big Thunder Mountain. My personal favorite. About to meet Rapunzel. We just got back from Magic Kingdom. 11:30?
11:34.
11:34. I took a nap today and had a Frappuccino at like 6 o'clock. So I'm not as exhausted as I have been the past few days. But I'm still ready for bed. We took it pretty easy today. We were exhausted after going to Epcot yesterday. We stayed up late. We didn't go back to the room and take a nap. It kicked our butts. We got to the park today like 9:30ish maybe. And then we didn't really rush for anything. We just took it slow. Then we came back and took a nap because I was so tired. And if I don't get enough rest, then I get sick. And I ain't about to get sick on my vacation. It felt really good today after the sun went down. It was so peaceful. We didn't watch the fireworks tonight because it was pretty packed. And we're going to go back tomorrow. So we were like, we'll just ride some rides while everybody else is crowded around.
Yeah.
So...
we got to ride most of the rides.
yeah, even though we took it easy, we still rode almost everything. So it was good. It's a good day.
Good day.
Like
Excuse
this
me.
video. Subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you tomorrow.
See ya.